is Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report.
On September 29th to 30th, 2009, a series of massive quakes shook Samoa, then Sumatra, then Indonesia. Even with the USGS cover-up over the magnitude of these quakes, it was obvious something had caused this onslaught. Simultaneous to the quakes, the Earth's magnetosphere lost its south pole. What happened? Per the Zetas, Planet X temporarily turned the full force of its north pole toward the Earth, forcing an end-to-end alignment of these two planetary magnets. Per the Zetas, this was a glimpse of what the last weeks will hold for the Earth. This is a preview of the severe wobble we have stated will precede the lean to the left. This is the cause of the severe wobble we have predicted. More is to come. Following this moment when the south pole of Earth seemed to be missing, twisting of the Earth's magnetosphere began and became more obvious. What is normal is a set of wings, the Earth's magnetosphere blown outward by the solar wind. But what would cause the magnetrons leaving to come and go from the wrong direction? In less than a 24-hour period on October 28th to 29th, 2009, the Earth's magnetosphere became completely twisted, coming and going from the wrong direction. Per the Zetas, this phenomenon proves their statement that Planet X is slightly to the right of the Sun, in our view from Earth, and approaching the point when the north pole of Planet X will hose directly at the Earth. As a flow cannot continue without an intake as well as an exit, the south pole of Earth represents a type of magnetic vacuum, a pole. Thus, some magnetrons from the north pole of Planet X, which has a wide field, drift to the south pole of Earth rather than travel on to the south pole of Planet X. What are the effects of this magnetic dance? We began to see the effects in 2009 with the downing of Air France 447 from a total failure of the plane's electrical system as it was crossing over the Atlantic Rift, which per the Zetas is a magnet on the surface of the Earth. But what would cause some of the world's largest dams to malfunction or explode? Per the Zetas, when the turbines at the Susquehanna Dam exploded on August 21st, it was due to a magnetic tsunami rushing over the horizon. The location of the Susquehanna is exactly at the horizon when the Earth's surface magnet, that Atlantic Rift, is either facing Planet X or in opposition on the dark side of the Earth. Susquehanna is the world's sixth largest dam and the largest in Russia. The Itapu Dam on the border of Brazil and Paraguay is the world's second largest dam, serving much of Brazil and Paraguay. On November 11th, 2009, it malfunctioned, shutting down completely, causing blackouts in Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro. Was this another magnetic tsunami? Per the Zetas, the blackout had nothing to do with the Atlantic Rift, unlike the Air France 447 disaster or the Susquehanna explosion. It had to do with the deep depression that the Parana River forms, flowing to the sea at Buenos Aires. River bottoms and seaway bottoms in particular are along weak points in a plate, being pulled apart and causing the land to sink. Thus, such points have less of a shield between the electromagnetic core of the Earth and any turmoil surrounding the Earth's magnetosphere. Brazil crop circle. A crop circle had appeared just to the east of the dam just days before, on October 29th, 2009. Per the Zetas, this was pointing to the Parana River depression as a warning.
Until next time on the Zeta Report, I'm Nancy Leader.